Hi everyone, Pratik here. So let's discuss on 5 day update. So what was I doing from last 5 days? We'll get through this and we'll check what is the progress on everything. So yeah, in last 2 days, Saturday, Sunday, I didn't study at all due to some reason. Due to my something office reason, I did something miserably wrong which I shouldn't be doing, but I did that and I had a guilt of doing it. So my Saturday and Sunday was completely wasted thinking on it. I think this I should be avoiding, you know, thinking too much about particular things. So this is the particular thing which I think I should be avoiding. Apart from this, from last 3 days, I focused on doing AFM. I did AFM, I did chapter number 1, and I was about to write the mock of it, but I didn't try it. So yeah, it's okay that I wasted my 2 days. Currently, you can see I'm at Voli. Yeah. So, what's the next thing which I must be doing? Cool. So yeah, I must be giving mock of AFM in July month. I would be utilizing my day very cleverly and very possibly in a very productive way. What I must complete, I must be at par at my DT and I should be revising my DT at cumulative basis. Apart from that, I must be able to do AFM completely. So that's the target for my July. I am doing 2 subjects right now, AFM and DT, and I'm planning to complete AFM first revision. I don't know whether it will be complete or not, since this is my last month of articleship where 18 days, approx 18 days would be remaining. Yeah, so that's the thing. And from next, I would be focusing on this month. I would be focusing on AFM and DT. My lectures are going on. I didn't watch my lectures. I watched my lecture on Friday, but I didn't watch my lecture on Saturday, and I didn't watch my lecture on Sunday. So these 2 days I missed. I did something miserably wrong which I shouldn't be doing in office. I drew something on my tab while making the daily entry in the consultant's office. So yeah, but I was just overthinking about it, and I just wasted a few 2 days on it. Yeah, but you know, cool. I think I should not be doing all of this. What I did, and I would be very professional from now. Whenever I visit in office and wherever I visit in some client place, I would not be doing any silly things. So that's the thing. This is all update of last 5 days, and I'll try to be consistent and try to post daily from tomorrow. Yeah, so I have my office tomorrow, and it just 2 to 3 weeks are remaining. 3 weeks, I mean, yeah, 3 weeks are to go. 21 days, not even 3 weeks. Yeah, so thank you. Bye bye.